The only video you need to see before you buy any more new sunscreens. Sunscreens have been on Indian shelves for almost 30 years now. Lotus Herbals launched Safe Sun, which was in 1996 and probably India's first sunscreen. Yet even today, most Indians are still confused about how to use it. And this confusion isn't coincidental. The industry benefits from us not understanding exactly how this entire thing works. Let me answer my most frequently asked questions about SPF. 1. What is SPF and PA? Okay, SPF protects you against UVB rays, which cause sunburn. PA, measured in plus signs, protects against UVA, which causes pigmentation and aging. For India, PA rating matters slightly more than SPF ratings. Aim for PA4 plus and SPF of 30 to 50 is good enough. 2. How much should you actually apply? You've most probably heard of the 2-finger rule, but a lot of dermats now say that is not enough. The real measurement is about a quarter teaspoon for your face and neck, this much. 3. What happens when you apply too little? Now, sunscreens are lab tested at 2 milligram per square centimeter. All the reports that you actually see on their websites are for this particular measurement. Most people apply a quarter of that. So if your SPF is 50, it may actually be performing like SPF 15. 4th, Korean sunscreens versus Indian sunscreens. For a longest time, I found the Korean ones better. Lighter textures, better filters. But Indian brands have actually caught up significantly well in the last 2 years. And the gap is really not that high now. 5. Who should use sunscreen? Please, everyone should use sunscreen. 6. Do you need sunscreen indoor? Okay, now this is interesting. Your phone, laptop, TV, they all emit blue light, and research suggests that long-term exposure can contribute to pigmentation. If you spend 8 to 10 hours daily on screens, then sunscreen indoors is not exactly an overkill. 7. Should you reapply? Yes, if you're outside every 2 to 3 hours, but if you're inside working from an office, just one application in one day is enough. The reason sunscreen still confuses Indians is not because it's genuinely complex. It's been made complex. It's been made more difficult to understand. So you keep buying new products instead of using what you actually have properly. Use enough of that, reapply, and that's literally 90% of the sunscreen game. Follow me for more honest insights like these.